American 1071 to Miami from Adams Direct Sierra Lima Uniform, then direct Anada, Alpha, November, Alpha, Delta, Alpha, then it's filed. You can expect, disregard, you can expect further rerouting with San Juan after Anada. Maintain flight level 2520. After departure, continue runway heading for 2771.
American 1071 is cleared to Miami via direct Sierra Lima Uniform, and then direct Anada. And after that, as filed, or correction, expect further routing from San Juan. Flight level 250 initially, and runway heading, squawk 2771.
American 1071 ATC clearance is correct. Santa Arca 118.7. Good afternoon.
Holding short.
JetBlue 662 Adams Tower. Run. Line up and wait, runway 09.
Line up and wait, runway 09 or JetBlue 662.
JetBlue 662, runway 09 cleared for takeoff, surface wind 1103. You got 11 now.
Clear for takeoff, runway 09 or JetBlue 662.
Visual runway 09.
Tower American 1071 ready in sequence for my 9.
1071 out of Colorado. Short runway.
Holding short runway 09er, American 1071.
Avion 5, continue descent, flight level 60, high speed descent approved.
Continue flight level 60, thank you, high speed approach, 2155.
Washington site, confirm registration, Charlie Foxtrot Tango, Juliet, Quebec.
Passengers, parking spot 10, call Washington site.
155, best turn for the west coast, turn right heading 245.
Right, heading 245, thank you very much, 245. Clear for takeoff, runway 09, American 1071. Emerson site, thanks for Canada 9.
Air Canada 907.